If Microsoft Edge is showing an HTTP error 404, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple fixes that can often solve the problem in just a couple of minutes. A 404 error usually means the page you're trying to open can't be found, but sometimes it's caused by a temporary browser issue, a bad cache, or a cookie problem. So before you assume the website is gone forever, let's go through the fastest solutions step by step. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. It really helps the channel and it lets you know when new tutorials go live. First, try refreshing the page. This sounds simple, but it's always worth doing because sometimes the page failed to load correctly the first time. You can click the refresh button near the address bar or just press the refresh key on your keyboard if your device has one. Give it a moment and see if the page loads properly after refreshing. If the error is still there, the next step is to clear your cookies and cache in Microsoft Edge. This is one of the most effective fixes because stored browser data can sometimes become corrupted or outdated, which can cause pages to break or show errors like 404, even when the site is working correctly. To do that, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard at the same time. That will open the Clear Browsing Data window in Edge. Once that menu appears, make sure you select the options for cookies and other site data, as well as cached images and files. These are the two most important items for this fix. If you want, you can also choose a time range like all time to make sure everything related to the issue is removed. After selecting the right options, click Clear Now and let Edge finish deleting the data. When it's done, close the browser completely and reopen Microsoft Edge. Then go back to the website and try loading the page again. In many cases, this alone is enough to fix the 404 error. If you still see the same problem, try opening the site in a private window. Private browsing, also known as InPrivate mode in Edge, helps you test whether the issue is being caused by extensions, cookies, or stored session data. It gives you a clean browser session, which makes it really useful for troubleshooting. To open the private window in Microsoft Edge, click the menu in the top right corner and choose New in Private Window. You can also use the keyboard shortcut if you prefer. Once the private window opens, type in the same website address and try loading the page again. If the website works in private mode, that usually means the issue is related to your normal browsing data, cookies, or possibly an extension interfering with the page. In that case, clearing the cache and cookies should help, and you may also want to check your installed extensions later if the issue keeps coming back. If the page still doesn't load even in private mode, then the issue may be on the website side, or the link itself may be incorrect or outdated. At that point, double check the URL to make sure there are no typing mistakes, missing characters, or extra symbols in the web address. A small mistake in the link can easily cause a 404 page not found error. So to recap, the main steps are refresh the page, clear cookies and cache with Ctrl, Shift, and Delete, and then test the site in a private window. These three steps solve a lot of Microsoft Edge 404 problems without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped you fix the error, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy computer tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.